Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you practice 2.5, that is frame the word problem. Means we have to write the word problems. Okay, they have given only the numbers, we have to frame it, make it. Okay, write the word problem. Now, word problem is what? Stories. Okay, addition stories. Now, let's write the number. What it is? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 1753 chocolate cakes. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 2353 pineapple cakes. They will give this much only. We have to make the frame the word problem. Now we will write a baker bakes. A baker will bake. A baker bakes 1753 chocolate cakes. And 2353 pineapple cakes. How many cakes does he bake altogether? How many cakes does he bakes altogether? This is our word problem. Now how to do now? We have to write like this: 1753 plus 2353. Okay? Directly we have to write answer here. But we can't do like that. To the side we have to write 1753 plus 2353. 6. 3 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 in the mind, 5 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 0, carry 1. 7 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus carry 1, 11. 1 and 1. 2 in the mind, 1 on the finger. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus carry. So this is our, how many pair? You have to write here 4106. That's all. Cakes. Next one will do. 4451 storybook, 644 picture book. Now again, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay. So a library contains 4451 books, story books. And ones, tens, hundred. 644 picture books. Picture books. How many books are there in the library? In the library. This is our question. Okay, what we have framed. Now, what we should write now? 4,451 storybooks plus 66644 picture books. Is equal to dash. So we'll do here 4,451 plus 644 picture books. Add them. 4 plus 1. 4 in the mind, 1 on the finger. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 and carry. 4 in the mind, 1 on the finger. After 4, 5. So the total books are, you have to write here, no place, no, I am writing here, 5,095 books. Okay, like this we have to write here. Okay, let's continue, children. Continue from the page number 40. Framing of the word problem. Frame word problems for the following adage. They have just given 2 numbers. We only have to frame a word problem. Let's see this. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. 6,751. 4,650. Now we will write there are 6,751 boys and 4,650 girls in a school. In a school. Find the total strength of the school. Okay, same. 6,751 boys plus 4,650 girls is equal to, we do here, we write the answer here, and 6,751 4,650, add them and write the total. 1 plus 0, 1 only. 5 in the mind, 5 on the finger. 10, 0 and carry 1. 7 in the mind, 6 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus carry 1, 14. 6 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus carry 1, 11. So, this 11,401 students. Children, you have to write all this here only. Now I am giving you homework. B and C is your homework. Write and send me for checking. Same like this, you should think of anything else and write. Okay. Now let's do true and false here on page number 41. Second one. With this here, already we have done this. Some of you have shown this. Send me this for checking. All have written this correct. This is properties of addition, from properties of addition. Now state true and false. Okay, first one. The answer of addition is called sum. True. Second one. If 0 is added to any number, the answer is 0. They give It is number itself. Second one false. We cannot change the order of number while calculating the sum. While calculating, we cannot change the order of number. False. We can change the grouping of 3 while calculating. Groups, 3 groups, A plus B plus C. A, B plus C can be changed into A plus BC. Okay? That is true. We can change. Here they said we can change. Yes, we can change. Okay, children. This you write and complete this page number, this 40 and 41 and this, and send me for checking. So, we have completed our addition and some problems are there. We will solve this. Okay.